Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup yogurt, 1/4 cup oil, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1/4 cup tutti frutti, 1/4 cup milk. Instructions: grease a cake pan or baking dish with oil and set aside. In a mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Add the yogurt, oil, vanilla essence, and milk to the bowl and whisk until well combined. Fold the tutti frutti into the batter. Preheat a non-stick pan over low-medium heat. Once the pan is hot, pour the cake batter into the pan. Cover the pan and let the cake cook for 25–30 minutes over low heat. Check the cake by inserting a toothpick or knife into the center. If it comes out clean, the cake is done. Allow the cake to cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your delicious Eggless Tutti Frutti Cake.